Good afternoon. So today we are here to discuss about paper presentation. I really don't know what kind of queries you have at this moment, but I'll try to cover each and every point that I feel a person who wish to present a paper in this conference should get to know. Right. So first, let us discuss what is paper presentation. Let's divide this topic paper presentation in two parts. First is paper and second is presentation. What is paper? It is pure knowledge, pure content, your grip over the topic in written form. Yes. And presentation is about your delivery skills. You have the knowledge, but how you are going to deliver the topic in front of the audience at the day of conference, that institute wants to know, and that's why they are asking you to submit word file and a 2-minute short clip of your video, that how you are going to present this topic. Now the next is what we should keep in mind while creating the paper or while compiling the knowledge. If you are paying full attention to this video, I use the word compiling knowledge, right? You might be having question that why I use the word compiling knowledge, because see, most of the time the paper you are going to create is to be on a technical topic. Now we have a large amount of content for technical topics, and so it is not necessary to use always something new or come up with a new idea uh, and create something on your own, because anybody can write fictional stories, and we have done a lot of fictional writing works in our school times, but now we are in CA, and that's why we have to have a base for your statement, right? For any of the content we must have a base, and that's why if you use the work that is already done by someone else, you use the content which is already available on Google, that is absolutely fine. Yes. But we have to make sure that we do not copy the whole para or the content, because Vikasa branches use plagiarism checker uh, to evaluate your paper that you have not copied the content from someone else's write up, right? That is a fair practice, so you must make sure that you do not copy the whole content. Now grabbing attention of the audience with your content, with your knowledge, with your writing skills, with your word is an art. You must agree with this, that it's an art, but people miserably fail at this, and especially CA students. So we have to make sure that the people should get interested in your topic, and that's how you can get their attention. You can create a graphical content. It is sometimes it is difficult for the person to understand the write up, understand the text. So instead of using text paragraph, you can use graphical pictures and videos. And also there's a time limit and a word limit, so you have to limit your content in 1000 to 1500 words. But in case if you exceed the limit of 1500 words, it is absolutely fine, provided your content is relevant, right? We have to keep a time limit in mind, because we have been given 10 plus 2 minutes, 12 minutes in total, in which we have to finish the whole topic. So we have to make sure that whatever the content we add, we have to finish it within timeline. And to present a paper at the day of conference, we can use PPT or the Prezi or any software you are comfortable with. But this question comes in when you get selected for the presentation, and first we have to focus more on creating a paper and making 2-minute video, because this is the way you can get your seat confirmed as a paper presenter, right? So at the also some extra points that I want to add. At the day of presentation, don't try to say too much, because we have limited time of 12 minutes. Remember that audience have relatively short attention span, and so keep it simple and explain any technical words, recap the key points if you can. Well structured paper is easier to listen to than a free form ramble, right? So keep your audience in mind at all the time, because they are the one who are going to pay attention, and you have to maintain their interest in your topic. Now Also maintain the eye contact with the audience. Rehearse your paper in front of mirror, in front of friend or your family, and also try to rehearse 5 to 10 times before the presentation. Prepare for the room. And the next point is I wish to add is the technological requirements. Yes, that is the most important thing. See, I'm using this wire mic for recording this video. So at the day of presentation, you can also use collar mic or cordless mic. So ask for the whatever requirement you have. Ask to the organizers first, because at the day of conference it is important to know that you must be ready with the presentation, and whatever your requirements are, you should inform it to the organizers, right? And don't be hard on yourself. If paper doesn't go as planned, it's fine. It's just the process that you should enjoy. Don't forget to enjoy your conference paper, because this is an opportunity for you to hold forth on what you know about the topic with a captive audience, right? So because I have attended almost 13 plus conferences during this 3 years, and my first paper presentation was in Baroda, but it was not as I planned, and I failed at that conference. But after that, I attended other conferences, and I won there. So it's not necessary. If your first presentation is bad, you should not feel like no, it's not my cup of tea and I should quit this. No, you have to continue with this. And yes, also I am a international paper presenter, and uh, I was selected in the team of 9 paper presenters who represent India at the international conferences, which happens every year in Sri Lanka and Nepal. So I was a part of that team as a ICI paper presenter. So it is just a wonderful journey that every CA student should get a chance to be a part of it. And I think that's it. That's what I want to say. So let's keep it short. Just focus on your paper, your content first. Your 2 minute video, that is more important, because on that basis you're going to get chance to present on the conference day. So all the very best to all the participants who wish to present paper. That's it. Okay.